Good morning, world. How are you today? Waking up? Time for... Come on! Wake up! Yeah! We may use this later on the roosters next door, I think. I don't know. Woo! Yay! No, actually, I spoke earlier about, well, in the comments, about a percussion instrument. There it is. Isn't that wonderful? So am I a left-hander or a right-hander? What do you reckon? And does it matter? Do you really care about that kind of stuff? Well, yeah. Anywho, it's time to go to the next stage. Yeah, last we saw we were doing this whole tea bag bizzo. Here's a corner that hadn't been tea bagged. Oh, yeah. Tea is still good. Oh, first tea in the morning. I think this one is a Dilma tea. Oh, why are people so unkind? Oh, anywho. We'll be tenderizing it later. It's a bit early to be tenderizing cork, even though the roasters are going off. We'll get this. Or should I do it this way? I don't know. Does that look more natural to do something like that? Or does it look more natural to do... Oh, I've already marked it. Okay, whatever. And then we do things like, just roll it along, and let's go to about there. Why not? Yes, I've got my early morning tremble on. As I said, I've been going through a bit of stress lately. We might talk about that another time. Let's say it involves employment. And perhaps the Fair Work Ombudsman, but that's another story for another day. Let's see how we go. Perhaps it won't need to go that far. Perhaps people start doing the right thing and stop lying. Anywho, we gotta do what we gotta do. By the way, today being a lovely day. What date is it? It's goes for a walk. Ooh. It's the 12th of Feb. And it's 5:24. So anywho, I've chopped out a bit of cork there, but now I want to tenderize it. So I might stop this video and... Oh, there's that lovely saxophone in the background. Wow, that's not me. Oh, wow. Yeah. I think it's called Draw Me Close to You by Sean Thunder Wallace at Grove City Church of the Nazarene. Oh, look. Have a great day unless planned otherwise, eh?